Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how I achieved this look, but before that let me tell you something. This whole eye look is done with Morphe Gemstones mini palette and I am a die-hard fan of James. I have been following James for a year now and that gorgeous Gemstones mini palette was my dream. So recently I got this palette and I could not wait to try a whole eye look with this. So without further delay, let's get started.
First, I'm taking the shade No Beans and patting it on the outer corner of my eye. I'm not yet blending it, just putting enough color to my outer corner and on the outer crease. I'm not dusting the excess off because I want to create a rich contrast. If you are not satisfied with the depth, you can go back and put enough color according to your preference. Then with the same blending brush, I'm taking the 10% off shade and putting it directly on my lid. Again, I'm not blending it, just patting it to build a rich color. Also patting over the previous shade so that it creates a beautiful transition color. Now I'm taking the Code James and putting it on my inner crease area and over the previous color as well. After putting all these three colors, I'm taking a clean blending brush and with circular movements I'm blending them all. After mixing all the colors, I'm taking the shade Tune and going all over the colors. This part is very crucial because if you don't blend it with your skin, it will look patchy. So take enough time and blend, blend and blend. While blending, you may feel like the colors are fading, so you can always go back to the previous color and take enough according to your preference and put it right over the colors. However, don't forget to blend the colors again because you don't want any harsh lines. Now coming to the most fun part of the look. James used a bright yellow shade B in the corner, but I don't know how it looks. Okay, this looks good. To create a shiny effect, I am using the shade Ring Light over the shade B. To create a transition effect, I am using the shade You Are Kidding to the B shade and the previous Code James so that it creates a beautiful transitioning effect. To pop out my inner corner, I am using my ring finger and taking the shade B again on my inner corner and followed by blending it. For my lower lash, I am using all the previous colors I have used on my upper lids and going from outer corner to inner corner. Also making sure to blend it on the outer corner so that there is no harsh lines. After adding all the colors on my eye, I'm taking a bigger fluffy brush and blending all the colors together. Then I'm taking my thin brush and spraying some fixing spray over it. I'm taking the shade Ring Light and going back to my inner corner. It gives an instant pop-out effect. To intensify my outer corner, I'm taking the shade Benny and going to my outer corner and focusing on the corners only. Again taking the big fluffy brush and blending the colors all together. Then I just put on my falsies. Going back to my favorite palette, I'm taking the shade Face to highlight my brow bone. So this is it. I'll just quickly do the other eye and come back soon. So I'm done with my eyes. I'll just grab the same palette and contour my nose and cheekbones. While doing any eye look, there are lots of fallout. So make sure to put some powder under your eyes. Here I'm just cleaning the fallouts. To contour my cheekbones, I'm using the shade No Beans. With a flat top brush, I'm blending it with my skin. This palette is so versatile. It gives a lot of option to your eyes. Also, you can use it on your whole face. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and with a fan brush I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, nose bridge, forehead and cupid bow. Lastly, I'm putting on my lipstick. I forgot the shade. I'll link it in the description box. So this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section how is it.
Okay, I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget these 3 things: like, comment and share. See you soon.